In this video, I'll show you how to get better at typing. So I'm going to open up my browser. Getting better at typing is mostly about consistent practice, correct finger placement, and using the proper techniques. So this is a step-by-step guide how you can be able to achieve this from your own end. So just please make sure you make your own research as well, so as you can be able to learn how to do this. So I'm going to open up my Google Docs right now. I'm going to show you that I'm really good at typing. So I can just create a new document. Can name it new, type. So I want to test something now. I'm going to church tomorrow. I'm going to church tomorrow, and make sure you come and see me. That's location. So you can see how fast I am with my own typing. So please make sure you make your own research for you to be able to achieve this. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like, share, and subscribe.